Hello, and this is part 6 of the Raspberry Pi War Tank project. In this episode, I have successfully connected the motors to the joystick. So if we run the code real quick, and I have the joystick, I put some masking tape onto the tracks so that we can see more clearly the direction of where the tracks are going. So if we push the joystick forward, hold on, wait, I'll turn on the module first. If we push the joystick forward, they will go forward. If we pull the joystick backwards, they will go backwards, as you can see. If we put it to the right, hold on, I think I did something wrong here. I just realized the mistake. The right and the left are accidentally switched. I'll change that up later. But right now it is that if I put it to the left, the left corner, the left track would go forward and the right track would go backward. Unfortunately, it doesn't have much power when it goes a direction for some reason on this motor, but it's fine. If we put it to the right, they go the other way around. So that's basically it for this episode. And one final thing is that I don't know how well I can do this with one hand, but while the tracks are moving forward, I can also turn the turret. So I'll try to do this with one hand. It's quite difficult. There we go. Because apparently they can work simultaneously. And I am not complaining. Not complaining at all. Where's the other one? There we go. Let's put it to the other direction again. So that is over 3/5 of the project done. So yeah, the joystick works amazingly. I just need to switch the polarity of the left and right because I made them turn the wrong direction, but it's fine. I always get confused with these. But when it at least forward and backwards works just fine. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm having too much fun with this. We press Ctrl+C to stop the program. So yeah, that's basically it for this episode. In the next episode, I am going to either connect the LCD display to the Raspberry Pi, and whichever direction the tank is going, it will display. So like if I'm pushing it forward, it will display moving forward, moving backwards, moving left, moving right. If I use the turret and press it, it will display turret left, turret right by pressing this, etc, etc. Those are this. And if I press the button, it will display honk pressed or something, like horn pressed, or just honk. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, that's basically it. I will see you in the next episode. Bye!